I've got 4 hours before we head out of town to applique or embroider these $3 tees. So while I make it, before it's time to walk out the door, I jumped on Etsy and found the sweetest embroidery of what looked like our puppy Ruby wearing bunny ears and a beautiful empty tomb applique as well. I started with tearaway stabilizer that I ironed on the wrong side of the shirt. I used the neckline opening to attach the hoop, and my Bernina 990 gives me just enough clearance to slide the back part of the shirt underneath the bobbin housing without stretching anything out. You can actually see the puckers in the ray of sunshine when I first started stitching because the tearaway stabilizer didn't offer enough support. So I floated a layer of mesh cutaway under the hoop. That fixed everything perfectly. For the dog embroidery, I even added a water-soluble stabilizer on the top to keep the stitches from sinking into the knit. But I only used that on the last part of the appliqué shirt where the writing was, so it wouldn't get stuck between the shirt and the appliqué fabric. Then came all the stitching. I used my favorite curved cable appliqué scissors with the rounded blade, so smooth and safe, especially around all of those tight corners. I usually rough cut, and then once I pull it out of the hoop, I will go back in and trim everything up perfectly. This part is so satisfying. I could seriously do appliqué all day. I finished all 4 shirts in just a few hours, and then they wore them to the Easter egg hunt on Saturday and after church on Sunday. I don't even think they realized they were wearing mama-made masterpieces. $3 tees and a little thread make the sweetest Easter memories.